This is the second video about the Final Cut Pro update 10.6.2, and this time it's the definitive review of the Dupe Detection, or as Final Cut Pro calls it, Duplication Ranges. Look in the description below for the timestamps that will allow you to jump to different parts of this tutorial that particularly interest you. My name's Bruce, and if we've met before, welcome back. Otherwise, please like and subscribe and press the bell so that I can make more videos like this for you. Duplication detection, or dupe detection as it's commonly known, has been a much requested feature in Final Cut for quite some time now. But I have to say that Apple have come up with the most useful way of using dupe detection than any other video editors. Well, what is dupe detection? Well, it's simply a way of checking that you don't have any duplicate clips in your timeline. It's really important for long-form videos like weddings or full-length movies or documentaries because it's so easy to use the same clip twice. In the Final Cut Pro version of Dupe Detection, it searches out duplicates of video clips, audio clips, stills, and even compound clips. However, as you'll see later, you can filter the results. So, for instance, the audio is not marked as a duplicate, or only the duplicates are shown. To turn on the duplicate detection, you select it in the View menu, or more usefully, the Timeline Range selector, which has got a checkbox. And there's no reason why you can't leave dupe detection checked permanently. When it's activated, you'll see a hashed line through the top of the clip. And it's as simple as that. All you need to do is decide if you want to keep the duplicates or replace them. Well, not so simple really, because any long-form video will have small clips that'll not show the hashed lines when the fit in window mode's selected. And here's where the real magic happens in the Final Cut Pro version, and it's the index menu. And when you open the index with the clips tab selected, the hashed lines show in the index. And by double-clicking, you instantly go to the duplicate in the timeline, no matter how zoomed in or zoomed out the timeline is. But that's not all. As I said earlier, you'll frequently have audio clips that are duplicated, even if only the overlap of the fade in and the fade out of the audio. And you can filter out the audio by selecting video only at the bottom of the index. And again, that's not all. You can even filter just duplicated clips in the search field, show clips of duplicate ranges. The index is live, so as you replace or delete the duplicated clips, they're directly removed from the index while you watch. And if you use the trim tool to replace the duplicate, it'll also remove it from the index live. And you don't have to just use the index. It's easy to move from one original to the duplicate by using the Command and the Option keys plus the left and the right arrow. But there are a couple of things to watch out for. If you slow down or speed up a clip, it'll not be recognized as a duplicate. So using the Command R to slow down a clip, you'll see the hash lines disappear. All in all, the update 10.6.2 continues to offer real value. Watch out for the next tutorial on 10.6.2, and that's on voice isolation. And remember this one thing about Final Cut Pro: just because it can do a lot, you still need to know how to use it. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and press the bell, especially if you want to find out about voice isolation.